Hello and welcome to tutorial 60, and I had a question about applying the tutorial program to MultiCharts. So let's create a new chart and I'll show you what we're going to do. In fact, we can see here the examples of the program applied to the main chart and then to a subchart, and we're going to try and achieve both of those in this quick tutorial. So first of all, File, New, Chart Window, and I'm going to apply ES, and we have a 5-minute chart there. I'm just going to increase the bar interval a little bit. Let's just fill the screen. So I'm going to insert the study, which is tutorial 60, and we need to do a little bit of formatting. So the scaling to start with, we're going to do user defined, maximum of 200 and a minimum of -200. You can see that applied to the chart. The other thing that we want to do is set the style for the CCI. If we want to have the histogram, we're going to change the second CCI there to be the histogram. I think that's everything for the moment. Now you'll notice that we're not seeing those lines. So to see those lines, what we need to do is double click on the instrument and go to scaling. And again, we're going to set user defined, going to go from maximum 200 to minimum -200. Going to set OK. Now you can see those lines appearing, and we could increase the bar spacing if we wish to. Now what we also might like to do is have the CCI on the subchart. So let's do that. We're going to set a new chart window. Again, we'll just go with ES, E-mini, and just going to increase the spacing a little bit. And we're going to apply the study, tutorial 60. And let's just have a look at let's just first of all change the scaling from 200 to -200, like so. Inputs going to be the same style. Going to make this histogram as before. Properties. Now we're going to base this on actually number 2. Now we don't have number 2 yet. So what I'm going to do is say OK. Looks very much like before. We're going to then insert the instrument again, exactly the same instrument, exactly the same time. And now I'm going to double click again on, misclick there. Let's just go here, format, study. I'm going to click on this little format study symbol. We're going to make it subchart 2. Now again, we're not seeing any lines. We're getting it on the bottom of the screen like we wanted. But what we need to do now is format the symbol, the instrument. So we're going to format data 2, which happens to be exactly the same as data 1 in this case, except we need to go to scaling and we need to set that user defined, and we need to go 200 to -200, like so. And one more thing that we need to do, let me just close that here, is go format to the study again, double click on that, we're on subchart 2. The other thing we need to do is make sure here that we're basing the study on the second instance of the E-mini stream, and then you'll see the lines as you would expect. Okay, well hopefully that's useful. Thank you very much.